Hello, dear students. This is problem number 8 of Engineering Mechanics Statics, ninth edition, chapter 4. Okay, so this is a loaded truss which is drawn and loaded 5 kilonewton at the 15 degree from y axis at point C. So first of all, you have to draw a free body diagram of this, and you have to show FAX, this is reaction force, and this is FAY, this is also reaction force, and this is also a reaction force FDX, because hinge support uh, resist two type of free forces. Number one, horizontal force, and number two, vertical force. And roller support resist only one horizontal force in this case. Okay, so this is the reaction force of load which is which try to move this truss to the right side, and the reaction force will apply to the left side like this. It also work like this. If a y try to uh, resist the force which is applied downward. Okay, so this is also the roller support also resist a force which try to move the load which try to move this support to the left side, but it resists, and this is the reaction force of this force which resist this force. Okay, so first of all you have to draw free body diagram, and you have to not show this and this at place of these supports. You have to only show by points, and the forces and load you have to show only by lines. Okay, after that, uh, first you draw free body diagram, and then you have to find these angles. Okay, and also you have to find these reaction forces by equation of equilibrium, by three equation of equilibrium. One is summation of all forces in this loaded truss, vertical forces in this loaded truss, whole loaded truss, and summation of all horizontal forces in this whole loaded truss, and summation of all movement in this loaded truss. I fix the point at, at point A. Okay, so set up three equation of equilibrium. Okay, so summation of all forces in this truss, in this loaded truss, horizontal forces equal to 0. So FAX, this is a horizontal force, FDX, and also this is a horizontal force, FAX. This is directed toward left. It therefore it is negative FAX, and this is directed toward right. It means that this is FDX, positive FDX, and negative the one component of this force. I resolve it into its component like this is the resultant force which is 5 kilonewton, and one component is horizontal vertical, and the other component is horizontal. So 5, the angle make with the y-axis, therefore with the horizontal component I write sine alpha, and okay, so this angle sine 15 degree, and 5 into sine 15 degree cos 15 degree. Okay, so I will write one horizontal component of this force. this is 5 sine 15 degree. 5 sine 15 degree equal to 0. This is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Now summation of all vertical forces in this whole loaded truss, which is component of one component of this force, vertical component of this force. This is also vertical force. I'll write this both forces. There is no another force. So Fay, which is that force, and F minus negative this force, 5 cos 15. 5 cos 15. This is equation 1. And the moment in this all force in this whole truss is equal to 0. Summation of all moment in this whole truss equal to 0. So f dx moment equal to I will write the formula of moment equal to distance multiplied by force. Okay, so the I fix point A at point A. Summation of all moment at point A will equal to 0. So f dx, one is this force which is turn this reaction force which turn this truss to the clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise. So I will f dx into 2, anti-clockwise will positive, anti-clockwise will positive, let's say anti-clockwise will positive. So f dx into the distance is 2, force into distance, force is f dx and distance is 2. So f dx into 2 negative 5 into cos 15. So the one is this force which try to turn this truss in clockwise. So negative 5 sine 15 into distance from this to this distance. Okay, so this is the force which I write 5. Negative is because it is turn the truss into clockwise, that why I write a negative, and 5 into cos of 15, this component of this force, okay, into the distance from here to here, from here to here. What is the distance? This is the distance of 4, because we analyze horizontal forces only. Okay, in this case we analyze horizontal force. From here to here is 4 meter, so it is 4 meter. Again I will write this vertical force component of this force. So negative 5 sine 15 5 sine 15 degree into 5 into 5. This 3 plus 2 is from here to here, from there to there it is 15. Distance is from here to here is, the distance is 5. So that's why I multiply it with 5 equal to 0. For find f dx, equation 3 will taken. I take equation 3 to find f dx. I move all the values, all the known values to the right side and unknown value to the left side. So f dx will come out 12.89 kilonewton. So for finding fay, I will take equation number 2. I will take equation number 2. Fay will remain here, and I will move all these values to the right side. So fay equal to 5 cos 15. This is minus. When I move to the right side, it will become positive. So 5 cos 15, fay 4.83 kilonewton. For finding f(ax), I know I find f(ax), so f(dx) is already find out, and this is also noun value, this is also noun value. I will left it to the left side and move all these noun values to the right side. So f(ax) equal to f(dx) minus 5 sine 15. So f(ax) equal to 11.59 kilonewton. f(ax) is the reaction force which have value magnitude of 11.59 kilonewton. So now I will find angles, because when we find the forces in the members of the truss, we should have an angles. Okay, so first of all I name this angle is alpha, and I name this angle is beta, and I name this angle is gamma. So I require this angle and this angle, alpha and beta. So by tangent theta I will find this angle and this angle, because this is my this is perpendicular to each other. These both lines are perpendicular to each other, and this is hypotenuse. So this equal to tangent theta equal to rise opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, so tangent alpha equal to 4 divided by 5. Opposite side is 4 divided by 5. 5 3 plus 2, it is from here to where it is 5. So this is 4 divided by 5, tangent inverse 4 divided by 5, alpha equal to 38.65 degree. So alpha is find out. Now I will move to the beta. So by this method, tangent beta, rise divided by fall, it is tangent beta. So rise opposite side divided by adjacent side, 2 divided by 4. Tangent beta is equal to 2 divided by 4. Tangent beta is equal to 2 divided by 4. Beta equal to tangent inverse 2 divided by 4. So beta will comes out equal to 26.56 degree. Okay, so now I will take and choose joint C to find the required angles, to find the required forces in the members. Okay, so this is joint C. In this is C joint. There is one force which is FCB, FCA, and 5 kilonewton. This is force 5 kilonewton. So first of all, I resolve this into its component FCA sine alpha, because I write sine alpha with a horizontal component because it makes an angle with y axis. Thereby I write with a horizontal component sine theta and write with a vertical component cos theta. So I also resolve this into its component 5 cos of 15. So this is 5 kilonewton, which is resultant force, and this also makes an angle with a vertical axis. That's why I write sine 15 degree with the horizontal component and cos 15 degree with the vertical component. So 5 sine 15 degree and 5 cos 15 degree. So summation of all forces, all horizontal forces equal to 0. So F, which is horizontal force, is this one. For horizontal force is this. These two forces only. So FCA sine 38.66 degree. This is alpha, negative 5 sine 15 degree equal to 0. So FCA will comes out 5 sine 15 degree divided by sine 38. When you solve it on calculator, so FCA will comes out negative 2.07 kilonewton, which is in compression, because sine sign, this negative sign shows that when I assume this force is intention and this force is intention, this was only just assumption, and from that I confirm that my assumption was wrong. This is incompression because there is negative sign. So now Fy summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. The force directed toward up will taken as negative positive, and the force directed toward down will taken as negative. Okay, so FCB, this is F, so this is FCB. Okay, this is FCB and the vertical component of this. So FCA cos alpha, 5 cos 15. FCA cos alpha minus 5 cos 15 equal to 0. FCB will equal to negative into negative because FCB value is negative 2.01. Negative 2.07, negative 2.07 cos 38 plus 4.82, which is come from here. Okay, so if you calculate this on your scientific calculator, so this will come 6.4 kilonewton, which is positive. That it means that positive sign means that my assumption was right. So this is intention. Now I will take joint B to calculate the required forces in the members of the truss. So this is joint B and this is force BA, this is force BD. You can also check it into diagram. So this is FCB. So first of all I will resolve it into its component. First I assume that these all forces are in tension, so I resolve it into its components. So FBA will equal to FBA cos 50 because it I write cos with a horizontal because with a horizontal component because this member makes an angle with the x-axis cos beta. So FBA sin beta. So summation of so first of all summation of f of y equal to 0. The force directed up will taken as positive, the force directed toward down will taken as negative. So negative FCB plus FBA sine 26.56 equal to 0. FBA will equal to FCB divided by sine 26 FCB. I calculate it. FCB is 6.4 kilonewton, so FCB is 6.4 kilonewton sine 26.56 degrees. So FBA will comes out with 14.4 kilonewton, which is in tension. So now summation of all horizontal forces equal to 0. The force directed toward left will taken as negative, the force directed toward right will taken as positive. So negative FBD, which is this negative FBD, this negative FBD, negative FBA, which is this BA cos 26.56 equal to 0. FBD equal to FBA cos 26.56 degree. So FBA is 14.4 kilonewton. So this is 14.4 kilonewton, this is cos 26.56. So FBD will comes out 13.24 kilonewton, 13.24 kilonewton, which this means that this negative sign means that my assumption was wrong. It is in compression. Okay, so thank you very much, and this is our 8th number problem. So please subscribe to my channel because I work really hard to convey my knowledge to you free of cost. Okay, thank you very much for watching. You can also make note and you can also contact me on WhatsApp to send you these notes.